Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. Honey, I have risen out of my abyss of avoiding wash day in order to bring you these results right here. Honey, I couldn't just come on to y'all looking real ridiculous as I was looking. I'm gonna insert a clip right here of what my hair has been looking like. Heavy on the neglect, honey. Between the postpartum shedding, anemia having my hair act up, I needed a trim, child. It was just a lot going on, and I was just like, honey, I'm not dealing with it. But I did come out of my abyss to get it together, and I used something that I am very proud to use, and that is the Curl Essence and Gel Essence products from KeraCare. So look, y'all, I'm about to tell my age a little bit. So when I was young and I was relaxed, we went to the salon every 2 weeks, and one thing that my stylist was obsessed with was KeraCare. So not only is it good for your natural hair, but it's good for your relaxed hair too. So honey, KeraCare been down in the paint for the girls for a minute. So anyway, I am in this video going to show you some products from their Curl Essence as well as the Gel Essence line. Honey, the spoiler alert, baby, it's giving what it's supposed to give. But if you're not familiar with KeraCare, amazing ingredients, super great formulas, it's scientifically based. They did a lot of research to make sure everything was good, and they do have things for natural and relaxed hair, so you can use it for either or. Honey, it just so happened I'm natural now. And something else that KeraCare is really huge on is for you to be able to get super cute, super trendy styles without sacrificing the health of your hair and scalp. So they do have a lot of technology that they use to make sure that their formulas are good for you in that aspect. So to sum it up, whether you're natural or relaxed, you have access to healthy hair care that'll get you real cute, real trendy, real popping in these streets, and you don't have to worry about damaging your hair and scalp later, baby. They gets down with the get down. So with that being said, shout out to KeraCare for sponsoring this video, because y'all know what sponsorships I get.
Donations, gifts.
So let's get into the video so I can show you the products that I use to get this hair pop and wash and go. Let's go. It's wash day time, and y'all listen, if I ever let my hair get like this again, check me. So speaking of checking, let's check my hair. So I'm starting with the moisturizing shampoo from the Curl Essence line, and let me say all the products I'm using today: free of sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, silicone phthalates, and petroleum. So this shampoo is meant to gently cleanse your hair without stripping its natural oils. It focuses on having Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil, and y'all know with the way my hair is shedding right now, JVC, oh honey, we need that thing. So I moisturized and shampooed my hair with this 2 times, and let me tell you, it was amazing. My hair was soft and clean, but it was not stripped at all. So let's get into the conditioner, again with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. What I loved about this, even though it's not a deep treatment per se, this conditioner, with the consistency being so thin, my hair was able to drink it up once I put the cap on top of it. It was so moisturizing, so softening. It had slip and everything, and it just felt amazing to my hair. Now y'all know I'm the wild child of the natural hair community. I got to do it right. So with that being said, on the count of 3, say hey Samantha. 1, 2, 3. Hey Samantha, child. So I put my cap on top of my hair, child, accidentally on my face, but you know, pray church. But anyway, I put it on my hair and let it sit for 30 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. My hair had so much slip, so much moisture for it to be a regular conditioner instead of a deep treatment. I was impressed. What also impressed me was this leave-in. Like the other products, is also focusing on Jamaican black castor oil. I applied it all over my hair. It's meant to add an additional step of moisture just before you get to styling, especially if you're using gels. It can add some moisture and protection. So I applied it all over my hair, and I let it sit for about 10 minutes before I started styling. And child, when I tell you it was a match made in heaven, I mean that thing. But speaking of heaven, let's get into the stylist. So because I'm focusing on 2 gels, I split my hair down the middle, and this side I'm using the moisturizing gel. It focuses on Jamaican black castor oil. It's for natural and relaxed hair, and it's free of alcohol. Traditionally, I don't use leave-ins when I have gels that are free of alcohol, but because I know a lot of my audience uses it, I wanted you to see what the results would be. But in the future, I won't use a leave-in, just because for me the moisture in this gel was enough. So I did use the raking method. Traditionally I shingle, but with the thickness of this gel, honey, look how them curls is popping, and I ain't even have to shingle a thing. That is what the moisturizing gel did on its own. So I'm gonna let you watch a little bit, and then we're gonna get into the next gel. And voila, magic. So that is the side with the moisturizing gel. On the next side, we're actually going to get into the next product, which is the Gel Essence Super Hold Gel. Also for natural and relaxed hairs, free of alcohol, formaldehyde, tetrasodium, EDTA, all the stuff you hate, they hate it too, child. So it's meant to give you a strong hold and be flake free, no parabens, mineral oils, all that stuff. Like I said, it's pretty clean ingredients. So I'm going to do a wash and go on this side as well. I did not do any shingling. I just worked the product into my hair. What I will say about both gels is they are very buildable. They do have the ability to have a strong hold, but it's based off the level of moisture you apply. If you want more of volume instead of hold, add more water. But if you want more hold, cut back on the water and cut back on the leave-in and let the gel do its job. But honey, when I tell you, this thing got my wash and go right. Although the gel is a super hold gel, I didn't want it to be too much of a hold, just because like I told y'all, I'm having postpartum shedding, so I needed to lessen the hold. So I added a lot of water, I put it on soaking wet hair and applied a lot of leave-in. And so this is what my hair looks like when all of the gel is applied. So on this side I use the moisturizing gel, and on this side I use the super gel, and the results are coming in 5, 4, 3, 2. And voila, my hair is complete. This is actually day 2 hair, because listen, between us, that baby wore me out and I went to sleep. So this has been slept on, and this is what the hair looks like. And honestly, I think it looks incredible. I feel like my hair is completely moisturized, not just to the touch, but my strands, they just feel like they then drank all of the water that Evian has to offer. Okay, my hair is soft to the touch. The gel locked in my natural curl pattern, and it did it without adding any crunch. My hair does not have any crunch whatsoever, but the curl pattern itself is locked in. Both of the gels were super moisturizing. They feel good to my hair, and honestly, I can't say I prefer one over the other, though this is the moisturized side and this is the super hold side. So I'm gonna turn around and let you see the back, but y'all, I can't complain at all. So yeah, shampoo, cleansing without stripping. The conditioner, although it's not a deep treatment, it felt good to my hair. It added moisture, shine, and slip. The leave-in combined with the conditioner is a 1-2 punch that I did not know my life needed. Like seriously, it was super moisturizing together, and then the gels just came in and shut the stain on down. So honestly, I love the fact that these products are effective, have great ingredients to me, and they don't break the bank. You ain't gotta go broke to be cute. So with that being said, check out the link in my description box. You can even go to Sally to pick these products up. All of them are amazing. So shout out to KeraCare, the Curl Essence and the Gel Essence. All products I absolutely love. I know I tried it on my Tex-Lax hair, but y'all, between you and I, don't listen to anything I said when I was Tex-Lax, okay? I didn't realize just how damaged my hair was, all right? So you got the reality, I'm sorry. So this is what it looks like as far as my hair now. I love how healthy my hair looks. So with that being said, if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all. And I'm out this piece. Bye.